This is M1 Raceway in Pontiac, and it's noisy out here because Dodge is kind of taking over everything out here. This is Dodge Speed Week at M1 Raceway. We got some vehicles we're going to show this week that are brand new, we haven't seen before. And inside tonight, inside this building behind me, Dodge previewed an opportunity to get some incredible deals on some closeouts, let's call them. Tim Kiniskis talked all about it.
Nobody saw this one coming, but the drag racers have been asking for it, and Direct Connection answered. This is our drag pack rolling chassis, straight from Direct Connection into the hands of sportsman drivers. Straight from the factory, certified 750 roller, ready for any power combo you want to put in it, and it'll run you less than 90 grand plus a powertrain. Unbelievable deal. And the Direct Connection hotline is open now to take orders for these because you know we need the bodies. Now, as turnkey as that is, some of you have some pretty serious hardware. Some of you have some pretty serious cars. You got a lot of those parts already. But maybe you put it in the wall. Maybe your body's a little sketchy and it's seen better days. Maybe there's another way to do it. Why not give you, straight from the factory, a full body in white? I wish this was Price is Right because you'd all be wrong. Less than 8 grand for a full body. You can get it primed, you can get it painted, but you gotta get it before the plant goes down. That is an absolutely incredible deal for a full body. But now, if you're looking for something really exotic and really super custom, we've also licensed Direct Connection with Speed Core to create carbon fiber body parts for our current late model muscle cars. These panels are handcrafted, precise tolerances, just like the factory, built, formed, baked right here in the US. Super cool for our late model guys looking to shed a little weight and have something really custom. But let's say you want to get crazy, a little crazy. No, actually a lot crazy. This is straight up legit 5150 crazy. Straight from us through Direct Connection. Please unveil this, a full carbon fiber 1970 Challenger. You guys are going to kill me later because I said Challenger. I was thinking of something else. After the Charger, we're going to do a Roadrunner and we're going to do a Cuda right after this. This thing, I'm telling you, you can't see this on the live stream, but if you could get close to this, I mean, this thing is just jewel. But you're still looking for something to turn heads. Well, I think we got you covered on that as well. Or uncovered, as the case may be. Look, you guys have been hounding us for years for a convertible Challenger. And you know that we don't build them. But we've been looking at Drop Top Customs down in Florida, and we really like what they've been turning out. The product is absolutely amazing. So we created an option with them that we can ship your car, your brand new car, we can ship it straight from our factory to them for the upfit, and then back to your dealer for delivery through you. So you just come to our dealer, pick out the car you want, it goes to them, seamless, comes right back to you for delivery. Unbelievably easy process, and such a cool car straight to you from Direct Connection. If anything good came out of COVID, it gave our engineers some time to come up with a way to keep building my favorite Durango. Yep, there's still time to get the most powerful SUV ever. The Durango SRT Hellcat is back for the 23 model year, and even though they were able to figure out how to keep building it, you all know the stories you heard about emissions, compliance, blah, blah, blah. It is not detuned. Still 710 horsepower, 645 pound-feet of torque. It's still the best in class towing, and most importantly, it's the most badass SUV you can buy, period. Now, I'm going to bring it down a little bit. While this ordering window is opening, there is another one that's closing. And it's really important that we need to talk about. The 23 model year Chargers and Challengers will be the last of the Hemi powered L cars that we build. And when that window closes, there's no reopening it. Production ends December of 23. You need to get your orders in now or never. Because when the last Hemi Chargers and Challengers roll off the line at Brampton, it's going to be the end of a legendary era. And it's hard to believe, but that 20-year run in Brampton unleashed nearly 3 million Dodge muscle cars to the world. That's 1 billion horsepower off the line and straight to the streets. Now, to the men and women of Brampton Assembly, thank you. Not just from us at Dodge, but from the entire brotherhood. Now, rest assured, we're not going to let this epic run end quietly. After all, the past 19 years, that production line has been second to none when it comes to delivering horsepower. And with millions of Chargers and Challengers under their belt, we're going into that final round swinging. So to mark the end of that legendary chapter in muscle car history, each of the Brampton-built Dodges will get a special plaque in the engine compartment designated as the end of that era. And to prove that we've been reading your posts, like I said earlier, and listening, the paint booth is also going to be busy. We're reopening the throwback colors that you've been screaming for. B5 blue, plum crazy purple, sublime green, and the modern color that you can't get enough of, destroyer gray. But all back in the plan for the final year. Yes. So everyone will get one shot, one opportunity to get one of those final Brampton Hemi cars. So in October this year, we're going to tell you every unit that we're going to build for the final 12 months of production, by trim and by dealer. And then we're going to update that weekly on DodgeGarage.com. So you're going to know where every single Hemi Charger, Challenger, RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, Red Eye, you name it, where it's going. Think about it as a horsepower locator. Because we don't want any customers putting in orders at dealers that may not earn allocation for what they're looking for. We don't want you waiting for your dream car that's never going to get delivered. So if you got your heart set on a Red Eye, a Jailbreak, a Superstock, a Scat Pack, whatever, we're going to tell you exactly which dealers are going to have access to those models. Thank you.
We've never given in. Slowed down. Or blended in. We've never fallen quiet, gone soft, or been domesticated.